Once upon a time, in a lively neighborhood, a family of 5 and their 2 best friends decided to take a trip of a lifetime to the Rwandan Game Reserve. This was no ordinary family vacation. No, it was an adventure. A wild quest into the heart of Rwanda's most breathtaking wilderness. The children couldn't contain their excitement, their eyes sparkling with anticipation. They spent days preparing, packing their bags with essentials, and researching about the fascinating creatures they would soon meet. The parents, on the other hand, were a mix of joy and nerves. They planned meticulously, ensuring that everything was perfectly in place for their big adventure. Their 2 best friends, seasoned travelers themselves, added to the thrill, sharing stories of their past journeys and the incredible wildlife they had encountered. Finally, the day arrived. With bags packed, spirits high, and hearts full of anticipation, they embarked on their journey, eager to meet the wonderful creatures of the Rwandan Game Reserve. As they entered the reserve, the first to greet them were the majestic elephants, the gentle giants of the land. These colossal creatures, with their long trunks and sizable ears, are not just a sight to behold but a testament to the wonders of nature. Elephants, known for their intelligence and memory, are often seen in close-knit groups, displaying a sense of camaraderie that's truly heartwarming. Despite their imposing stature, these elephants showed an unexpected gentleness as they approached the family, their trunks reaching out in a friendly gesture that left everyone in awe. But beyond their charm and grandeur, elephants play a crucial role in the ecosystem. They help maintain the biodiversity of the landscapes they inhabit, shaping the land with their feeding habits and water-seeking endeavors. With their unforgettable encounter with the elephants, the family and friends felt a deep respect for these gentle giants, the first friends they made in the reserve. Further into the reserve, they met the playful monkeys, swinging from tree to tree, and the graceful gazelles prancing across the plains. The monkeys, full of mischief and energy, leaped about in a dance of delight, their laughter echoing through the forest. They were the comedians of the jungle, their antics providing a lively spectacle for all who passed by. On the other hand, the gazelles were the embodiment of elegance and grace. With their slender bodies and long, lean legs, they moved across the savanna like ballet dancers, their every move a testament to the beauty of nature. The family watched in awe as the monkeys and gazelles interacted with one another, each species playing a unique and essential role in the ecosystem. The gazelles grazed peacefully, while the monkeys provided a playful disruption, reminding everyone of the sheer joy of life. The playful monkeys and graceful gazelles added a touch of joy and elegance to their adventure, creating memories they would cherish forever. The climax of their adventure was meeting the majestic lions, the kings of the jungle, and the colorful birds that painted the sky with their vibrant feathers. These lions, with their regal mane and striking eyes, are not just the rulers of the animal kingdom, but also an emblem of the wild, untamed beauty of nature. Their roaring echoes throughout the reserve, a testament to their authority and might. Sharing this kingdom with the lions are the colorful birds, a spectacle of nature's creativity. Their vibrant plumage dances in the sunlight, a riot of colors against the blue sky. Each bird, with its unique song, adds a new note to the symphony of the wild. Their presence, although less imposing than the lions, is equally captivating. These creatures, both the lions and the birds, play crucial roles in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Their interaction with the family was an unforgettable encounter, a glimpse into the heart of the wild. The sight of the majestic lions and the colorful birds left them in awe, marking the highlight of their adventure. As the sun set on their adventure, it was time to say goodbye to the beautiful creatures of the Rwandan Game Reserve. It had been a day like no other, filled with excitement, awe, and newfound respect for these majestic beings who called this place home. From the gentle giants, the elephants, who with their towering presence and wise eyes taught them about strength and patience, to the playful monkeys and graceful gazelles, whose energy and agility were a constant source of amusement and admiration. The majestic lions, with their commanding aura, reminded them of the raw power and beauty of nature, while the colorful birds painted the sky with their vibrant hues, singing songs that echoed in their hearts. As they said their goodbyes, each animal left an indelible mark on their souls. With hearts full of unforgettable memories and a newfound appreciation for wildlife, they bid farewell to their animal friends, promising to return to the enchanting Rwandan game reserve.